for me, I need one more training days, but I've actually like been in touch with more lucky friends going, wait a minute, more people. Hello guys, welcome to the video. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah.
I forgot we're recording audio.
We never forget our fans.
Pretty pointless, really. So yeah, this Onix has heavy slam, which means it's rainy weather, which means Kyogre speed solo. This should be pretty fast. Don't think I'm going to need to dodge at all.
Comment below at this point how many seconds left Epic Snail will finish this by. Please do not skip to the end. We want honest answers only.
Just looking at the health bars. Yeah, you can do this no dodge.
I'd say maybe 70 seconds left.
Yeah, I think around that.
Also, if you guys have been doing Adventure Week, comment below how much kilometers you've done this week. Honest answers only. If you've done 200 kilometers, we think that you're being very naughty.
Yeah. See if a Hydro Pump finishes it off. Oh wow.
Whoa, 95!
95!
Oh!
Jeez.
Yeah, best kind of in-game rain when it's not actually raining.
Not actually raining, yeah. And a shiny, please.
Oh.
Sad.